Obioraobiezemeditation. Obioraobiezemeditation.
Prison is the corrective creation of humans by which errant persons are reformed and subsequently reintegrated into the organized community. Obioraobiezemeditation. The prison remains invaluable to society by its reformative services. It is highly probable that it was at the same time humans resolved that there needs be a penal system for the maintenance of law and order that prison detention was conceived. Without doubt, there has to be comprehensive isolation of the human undergoing reformative cleansing. He needs separation from distractions in free society. Because trial and error remain the only process by which humans ascend the ladder of evolution since creation of earth, the institution of civil correction shall equally remain compassionate. The prison establishment shall comport itself in a manner that makes the prisoner appreciative of the necessity to repair his mind and image. Notwithstanding the harsh strains of undergoing punitive physical detention, the errant human cannot be left to moral deterioration based on maudlin sentimentality of pity. It is preferable that more prisons are built than for strife and anarchy to wreak irreversible havoc on humanity. Contrary line of action would be detrimental. In your preferred language of salutation to the author and administrator of earth, I pray that his peace, love, and companionship shall remain with you. You are blessed. Obioraobiezemeditation.
Obioraobiezemeditation. Obioraobiezemeditation. Obioraobiezemeditation. Obioraobiezemeditation.